In the name of Almighty God, the most compassionate and the most merciful, I welcome you all, my lovely brothers and sisters, to your own channel. It's our third lecture on chapter 3. As I promised, we will have the most interesting and fantastic examples on related to the alpha plus beta or x plus y. I mean the sum and difference of the angles. Please, first you have to pause the video and solve it by your own self. If you couldn't, then you can click on the play button and watch how we can solve. By the way, the first question is cotangent x times cotangent 2x minus cotangent 2x times cotangent 3x minus cotangent 3x times cotangent x is equal to 1. Now you have to prove this one. Now first look to the question. What do you observe from this question? In this question we have x, 2x and 3x, and sum of x and 2x it is 3x. Maybe the formula is x plus 2x, which is 3x. Maybe the formula is x plus 2x, which is what? 3x. But which trigonometry ratio? So cotangent. But we haven't studied cotangent of sum and difference. It's very easy. We have studied that tangent of alpha plus beta is equal to tangent of alpha plus tangent of beta divided by 1 minus tangent of alpha times tangent of beta. We have proved this one or not? Yes, we have proved. Can I write instead of tangent, or I have to reciprocal both of them? 1 divided by tangent of alpha plus beta, inverse both these two side of the equality. So it would be 1 minus tangent of alpha times tangent of beta divided by tangent of alpha plus tangent of beta. Is this one correct or not? Yes. Now 1 divided by tangent, this is cotangent of alpha plus beta. But in here cotangent is defined in terms of tangent, but we do not define in terms of cotangent. I want to define in terms of cotangent. So what should we do? 1 minus this tangent is 1 by cotangent of alpha, and this is also 1 cotangent of beta. Here 1 by cotangent of alpha plus 1 cotangent of beta. So in here we have cotangent of alpha plus beta is equal to, now you have the factor and denominator. What is your factor? Cotangent of alpha times cotangent of beta. Here it would be cotangent of alpha times cotangent of beta minus 1, and in here we have cotangent of alpha plus cotangent of beta. Here we will have cotangent of beta plus cotangent of alpha, and this is cancelled. So what did we found? Cotangent of alpha plus beta is equal to, what is in numerator? Cotangent of alpha times cotangent of beta minus 1. Denominator we have cotangent of beta plus cotangent of alpha. This is our formula for cotangent of alpha plus beta. Now I want to erase this this side of the board. So now listen. In here, if this one would be cotangent of 3x, which is cotangent of 2x plus 1x. Now if this one is alpha and this one is beta, so it would be cotangent of 3x cotangent of alpha. What's your alpha? 2x times cotangent of beta, which is x, minus 1 divided by cotangent of beta, which is x, plus cotangent of 2x. Am I right or not? Now you have to you have to make cross product in here. Now this times this one, am I right or not? And this time with this one, so it would be cotangent of 2x. What's the denominator for this one? 1. 1 times this one, cotangent 2x, cotangent x, minus 1 would be this time this one, cotangent x, cotangent 3x, plus this time this one, cotangent 2x times cotangent 3x. Now I will put this side to the left, this one also to the left. So here it is cotangent x, cotangent 2x, and this part is coming here, and that part is also coming, minus cotangent 2x, cotangent 3x. This one, this plus is minus, minus cotangent x, cotangent 3x, and put this one to the right side, it is 1. Now, is this one your question? Yes. Cotangent x, cotangent 2x, minus cotangent 2x, cotangent 3x, minus cotangent 3x, cotangent x, which is 1. Hence, it is proved. Write it, please. Question number 10. We have a square in which AG and GB, they are equal. This side with this side, it is equal. Now, BC, CD and DE, they are equal. What is tangent theta? Okay. By the way, according to this diagram, how we can do? We know that in a square, this side, this side, this side, and this side, they are right angle. Am I right or not? Yes. But if you want to define tangent theta, theta should be in a right angle triangle. Else, you cannot. Else, you have to find another way in order to define. By the way, theta is not in a triangle. And also, it is not in a right angle triangle. There is no triangle. If I make here, if I make a line here, it would be a triangle, but it would not be right angle. So we are not able to define that one, by the way. But one thing we know, if I put this one alpha and this one as beta. Now look here. Here we have, this is alpha, this is beta. Am I right or not? This one is theta, this one is theta. Now, one thing you know that if this angle is gamma, so gamma is the external angle for this triangle. Am I right or not? Yes. I mean that gamma is equal to alpha plus beta. This is our first equation. Gamma is an external angle for this triangle, which is gamma is alpha plus beta. One thing more, you know that theta and gamma is 180 degree. Theta plus gamma is 180 degree. Am I right or not? Yes. If I solve this part for gamma would be 180 minus theta. Now, in equation number 2 and equation number 1, left sides are same. So right should be same. I mean 180 degree minus theta is equal to alpha plus beta. If I find theta would be 180 degree minus alpha plus beta. Am I right or not? Yes. Now, if I take tangent theta would be tangent of 180 minus alpha plus beta. If I name this one as a x, as an angle, for example, whatever, sigma, whatever, tangent 180, which is pi, tangent pi minus some angle, what it would be? It would be again tangent. I mean tangent of pi minus something plus something, it would be tangent of this angle. But in which quadrant? Pi minus some angle in second quadrant. In second quadrant, tangent would be negative. Am I right? Yes. So, you know this formula. Tangent theta is equal to, put this negative here, it is tangent alpha plus tangent beta. 1 minus tangent alpha times tangent beta. But to find tangent theta, you have to know tangent alpha and tangent beta. Okay. Now listen. Alpha is in a right angle triangle or not? Alpha is in a right angle triangle or not? Yes. Beta is in a right angle triangle or not? Yes. So BC, CD, DE, they are same. They are equal. I mean, if this one is x, if this part is x, this part is also x, this part is also x, if they are x. So what do you think? What do you think? This side is 3x. Am I right? X, 3x. If this one is 3x, since it is a square, so it should be also 3x. Yes. This one should also be 3x. If AG and GB, they are same, so this is with this one is same, so it should be 3x by 2. This is also 3x by 2. Now listen. We have a triangle, right angle triangle FCE, in which we have alpha. So what is tangent alpha? It is opposite divided by adjacent. I mean, what is opposite for this alpha? This one, 3x. What is adjacent? This one, x and x, 2x. It means tangent of alpha is 3x by 2x. We can cancel this one, 3 by 2. Am I right? Yes. Now, in order to define tangent beta, what is for beta in a right angle triangle? This is also a right angle triangle. For beta, what is the opposite? This side, 3x by 2. 3x by 2. Am I right? Yes. Now, what is adjacent? Adjacent is x and x, 2x. So x cancel, 2 comes here in denominator, it would be 3 by 4. Am I right? Now put the value. Tangent theta is negative, tangent alpha 3 by 2 plus tangent beta it is 3 by 4. 1 minus 3 by 2 times 3 by 4. Correct? Yes. Now tangent theta is negative. Here what do we have? 4 divided by 2 times 3, it is 6. 6 plus 3, it is 9. Here also 1 minus 3 times 3, 9. 2, 4, 8. Now you have tangent theta is equal to negative 9 by 4. 1 times 8, 8 minus 9 minus 1 by 8. This negative with this negative is cancelled. Now you have a cancellation here, 4, this is 2 comes to numerator, so you will have tangent theta is 2 times 9, it is 18. This is our answer. Write it please. Question number 11. We have a rectangle of ABCD and BC is 3 units. I mean this side is 3. EC is 1. E up to C is 1. DE is 4. DE is 4. Now what should we do? We have to find tangent of alpha. Okay, it's a simple question. We know that alpha should be in a right angle triangle, but here alpha is not in a right angle triangle, which we define that opposite divided by adjacent. So we have to use our formula. We know that alpha plus beta. It means we should find some angles that they should be and they should occur in a right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. Here is a right angle. Here we have a right angle. Also here is a right angle. I mean, if this is x and this is y. Now, what do you think? X plus alpha plus y is 180 or not? Yes, we have to use alpha. Alpha is 180 minus x plus y. Am I right? Yes. X minus x, y minus y. This is minus x minus y. Now you have to take tangent on both sides. You have to calculate the tangent of both of them. So it would be tangent of alpha, tangent of 180 degree minus x plus y. So this is pi. Tangent of pi minus some angle. What do you think? Tangent of pi minus some angle. It would be what? It would be tangent of alpha. It would be tangent of x plus y. But in which quadrant? 180 minus some angle, second quadrant. Tangent in second quadrant, it is negative. Now tangent of alpha is equal to negative. This, you know the formula, tangent x plus tangent y, 1 minus tangent x times tangent y. Am I right? Yes. Now, what's the value for tangent x? Tangent x is in a right angle triangle or not? Yes, this is a right angle triangle. So if this one is, so opposite divided by adjacent. What's opposite for x? It is 3. Adjacent is 1. So tangent x 3 by 1, which is 3. What is tangent of y? You have to check that it should be in a right angle triangle. Y is in a right angle triangle. So opposite divided by adjacent. What's the opposite side for this one? This side. This side with this side, it is same, 3. What's adjacent? Adjacent is 4. 3 by 4. Now put the value. Tangent of alpha is equal to negative. Tangent of x, 3 by 1 is 3. I'm sorry. 3 plus tangent of y, 3 by 4. 1 minus 3 times 3 by 4. Now tangent of alpha is equal to negative 3 times 4, 12. 12 with 3, it is 15 by 4. 1 times 4, 4. 4 minus 9. 4 minus 9 minus 5. Minus 5 by 4. It is cancelled. Tangent of alpha is negative with this negative. It's positive. 15 by 5, it is 3. Simple. Write it, please. Question number 12. In this diagram, alpha, tangent of alpha is given 2 by 3, but cotangent of beta, this is our aim, our focus in order to find. One thing we have to know, A, B, C, D, this is also a square, and D, E, F, G, which this one is, this is also a square. Now you have to find cotangent of beta. In order to find for cotangent of beta, it doesn't matter that you have to find straightly cotangent beta. You can find whatever of beta, tangent of beta, secant of beta, whatever. If I define one of the trigonometric ratios of beta, then we are able to define cotangent. Now, one thing we know is that alpha plus beta is 45 degree. Why? Because in a square, if I define this diameter, now this angle and this angle, they are same and they are 45 degree. In here, our diameter, which is DF in DEFG square. This is our diameter. Alpha plus beta is this angle, so it should be 45 degrees. I think you have got. Okay, if you find this part, now it's easy. You have to take tangent on both sides. Tangent of 45 degree is equal to tangent of alpha plus beta. Now what do you think? Tangent of 45 is 1. So we have formula for this one. Tangent alpha plus tangent beta, 1 minus tangent of alpha times tangent of beta. Am I right? Yes. Now 1 put as it is. What's tangent of alpha? It is 2 by 3 plus tangent of beta, 1 minus tangent of alpha is 2 by 3 times tangent of beta. Cross multiplication. One time this numerator is 2 by 3 plus tangent beta, and one time this one, 1 minus 2 by 3 tangent of beta. Am I right or no? Yes. Put this tangent beta to the left side. It would be tangent of beta plus 2 by 3 tangent of beta. And 1, put this one to the right side. It would be 1 minus 2 by 3. Am I right? Yes. If I multiply both sides by 3, we will have 3 tangent beta plus 2 tangent beta is equal to 3 minus 2. Now 3 with 2, how many do we have? 5. 5 tangent beta, and 3 minus 2, it is 1, and divide both sides by 5, so tangent beta would be 1 by 5. If tangent beta is 1 by 5, what is cotangent beta? It is the reciprocal for this one. Cotangent beta would be 5 by 1, which is 5. Write it, please. Question number 13. In this diagram, you have to find tangent x. This is a rectangle in which AB is, A up to B is 10, BC is 4 units, and DE with EC, they are same. They are equal. This side with this side. If this is 10, so it would be 5. This one would be 5. Now BC is 4. This side is 4. Okay. In order to find tangent x, it is not in a right angle triangle. If this one is not in a right angle triangle, what should we do? We know that this angle is in a right angle triangle, in here. This is a right angle triangle. So if this one is alpha and this one is beta, beta is also in a right angle triangle. You know that this is right angle, this is right angle. One thing more you know is alpha plus x plus beta is 90 degree. This side. Am I right? Yes. Solve it for x. You want to define x. So x would be pi by 2 minus alpha plus beta. Now, if I take tangent on both sides, what do you think? It would be tangent x, tangent pi by 2 minus some angle. Now, tangent x, put this one as it is. So here, I think it is changed. Tangent pi by 2 minus or plus some angles. It would be cotangent of alpha plus beta. In which quadrant? It is accurate. Pi by 2 is 90. 90 minus something in first quadrant. In first quadrant, tangent is positive. So it is positive. Tangent x is equal to. We have proved cotangent of alpha plus beta in the first example. Okay, what the formula is? Cotangent of alpha times cotangent of beta minus 1 divided by cotangent of beta plus cotangent of alpha. Am I right or not? Yes. Now, tangent of x is, what is cotangent of alpha? This is alpha. adjacent by opposite, 4 by 5. Cotangent of alpha is 4 by 5. What is cotangent of beta? Look this one. Beta is in a right angle triangle, adjacent by opposite. Adjacent is 10, opposite is 4. 10 by 4, which we can cancel this one, 5 by 2. Am I right? Yes. Now cotangent of alpha, 4 by 5. Cotangent of beta, 5 by 2 minus 1, and 5 by 2 plus 4 by 5. I think you have got. Now you can define tangent x is equal to, if you simplify this one, this is 5 times this one, or we can cancel here, 2 times 5, 10, 10 by 5 minus 1, and this one would be 10, 10 by 2, 5, 5 times 5 is 25, plus 10 by 5 it is 2, 2 times 4, 8, 10 by 5, this is 2, 2 minus 1, it is 1. Tangent of x is 1. Now in here, 25 plus 8, 25 plus 8, 33 by 10. Put 10 to the numerator, it would be 10 by 33. Right, please. If I've got some mistake, then I excuse, please. You have to know the general method. Question number 14. We have a right angle triangle BAC, in which AB is perpendicular on AC. This line is perpendicular on AC. Yes. Now AB, AD and DC, they are equal. I mean this distance, this one with this one, they are equal. You have to find tangent x. First, AB, AD, DC, they are equal. AB, this one, AD, this part and this part, they are equal. Now you have to find tangent x. Look, is AX located in a right angle triangle? No. If this one is not located in a right angle triangle, you have to find your formula, or an angle, it should be located in a right angle triangle. In here, this angle is x, this angle is y. What this angle is? This angle is external angle for this, for BDC triangle. It means this is x plus y. You know that external angle is the summation of these two angles which are not adjacent. Am I right or not? Yes. This angle is an external angle for BDC triangle. Listen. This is y, this is x. Now what this one is? This one is summation of these two. Am I right? Yes. I think you have got. Now x plus y, if I define tangent of x plus y, what this one is? It is tangent of x plus tangent of y divided by 1 minus tangent of x times tangent of y. Am I right? Yes. Tangent of x plus y, tangent of x plus y, this one. Is this one located in a right angle triangle? Yes, this is our right angle triangle. So it is definition, opposite divided by adjacent. What's for x plus y opposite? This side. This side, for example, suppose this one is m. This is also m. This is also m. Now, what is tangent of x plus y? It is opposite divided by adjacent. What's opposite for x plus y? M. Adjacent is m. M with m, it's cancelled, it is 1. Am I right? Yes. If I define what is the definition for tangent of y, first you have to look that this one is in a right angle triangle or not. Listen, y is located in a right angle triangle. If this one is located, what's the opposite for y? M. And what's the adjacent to m? it is cancelled 1 by 2. Am I right or not? If I want to define tangent of x, x is not located in a right angle triangle, hence we cannot define tangent of x. So we have to find tangent of x from this formula. Tangent of x plus 1, this one is 1, is equal to tangent of x, we don't know, plus tangent of y, it is 1 by 2. Am I right? 1 minus tangent of x, we don't know, and tangent of y, tangent of y, 1 by 2. I think it is solved. Now cross multiplication, you will have tangent of x plus 1 by 2, and this time this one 1 minus 1 by 2 times tangent of x. Put this one to the LHS, so you will have tangent of x plus 1 by 2 tangent of x, 1 minus 1 by 2. Multiply both sides by 2, you will have 2 tangent of x plus 1 tangent of x is equal to 2 minus 1. 2 plus 1, I think 3 tangent x, 2 minus 1, 1. Divide both sides by 3, you will have tangent of x 1 by 3. Simple. Write it please. Our last question for this lecture. We have a square ABCD. AE is equal to ED, this side with this side they are equal. 2FB is equal to FC. What does it mean? It means FB divided by FC is equal, what is the coefficient for this one? It is 1 by 2. It means FB is 1, FC is 2. So all side is 3. Since this is a square, this side is also 3, this side is also 3, this side with this side, they are this one, these lines are same with each other, so it should be 3 by 2, 3 by 2, and all of them should be 3. All of them is 3, 3 by 2 is here, 3 by 2 is here. Now alpha is not located in a right angle triangle, it should be located in a right angle triangle, else we are not able to define this one. Okay, one thing we know, that this one is x, this angle is y. Am I right or not? Yes. So what this angle is? This is an external angle for this triangle, so it should be x plus y. If this one is x plus y, this one is also x plus y. If this one is alpha, this is also alpha. Am I right? Yes. Listen to me here. We have y, we have x, this angle is x plus y. This angle is also summation of these two angles, x plus y. Since this one is alpha, this is also alpha. Am I right? Yes. So now we can define tangent of x plus y. What is tangent of x plus y? Tangent of x plus y, it is tangent of x plus tangent of y by 1 minus, I'm sorry, battery was finished and I removed and I exchanged with another one. By the way, what's tangent of x plus y? It's tangent of x plus tangent of y divided by y, 1 minus tangent x times tangent of y. Am I right? Yes. Now tangent of x plus y, tangent of x plus y. What's tangent of x? Tangent of x. Is it located in a right angle triangle? Yes, this is our right angle triangle. So tangent of x is this side divided by this side, opposite divided by hypotenuse, opposite by adjacent, 1 by 3. Tangent of y. For y, this is our opposite, 3 by 2 divided by adjacent, which is 3, and this is cancelled, it is 1 by 2. Am I right? Yes. Now we are able to define tangent of x plus y. Maybe you will ask me that we have to find alpha, not x plus y. First we have to find x plus y, then we are able to define alpha also. Am I right? Yes. So tangent of x, it is 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2. 1 minus tangent of x, 1 by 3 times 1 by 2. I think you have got. Now tangent of x plus y is, what do you think this one? If you simplify this one, it would be 5 by 6 and 1 minus 1 by 6. So tangent of x plus y is equal to 5 by 6. 1 times 6, 6, 6 minus 1, 5 by 6. I think it's cancelled. So now it's easy. This side we have 1. Now tangent of x plus y is 1. Tangent of which degree is 1? I think 45. Tangent of 45 degree. X plus y is 45. If x plus y is 45, what this angle is? You know this is a straight line. X plus y plus alpha should be 180 degree. X plus y plus alpha should be 180. Since this one is, this angle with this angle should be in a straight line 180. So alpha is 135. X plus y is 45. This one is 45. Put 45 to the right side. 180 minus 45, 135. Now our question is tangent of alpha. So tangent of alpha is tangent of 135. Tangent of 135, I think it is minus 1. Write it please. By the way, it was all we had in 3.3. May Allah save you. Allah Hafiz. Goodbye.